Okay, welcome to our level 6 multiplication video. In level 6, we will encounter both 2-digit and 3-digit multiplier problems. As always, you can download the attached PDF to follow along. And again, we'll use our pointer formula, which says add the number of multiplicand digits plus the number of multiplier digits, so we know where to start entering our calculation. Okay, so let's jump into a first problem here. And we're going to look at 119 times 87. So I have 3 multiplicand digits plus 2 multiplier digits for a total of 5. So if I choose this as my unit rod, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will be my starting location to enter my first factor. So I take the first multiplier digit 8 and multiply 8 times 1, which is 8, and just simply enter 8 on the soroban. Okay, so now we will move one rod right and multiply 8 times 1 again for 8 and enter 8 again. Okay, then we're going to move another rod right, and this time we're going to add 8 times 9, which is 72. So I'll add 72 like that. And if you have trouble following along with my bead movements, please feel free to stop and start the video as you need to. Okay, now we're going to move to the second multiplier, 7. So we're going to start entering our factors from rod number 4. So here we're going to have 7 times 1, which is 7. So I'm going to add 7 like so. Okay, and next we're going to move our pointer one rod right, and again we're going to do 7 times 1, which is 7, and we can enter that straight up. Okay, and then finally we are going to multiply 7 times 9, which is 63, and so I need to add 63 from rod number 2. So I add the 6 and the 3, and I have a final answer of 10,353. So hopefully that was pretty straightforward for you. Let's jump into a second example here. This time we're going to have a 2-digit multiplicand and a 3-digit multiplier. So again, our starting pointer will be 5, so I'll choose the same unit rod and start my pointer here on rod number 5. So taking the first multiplier digit 6, 6 times 8, which is 48. So I just enter 48. And we'll move to one rod right, and now we will do 6 times 5, which is 30. So to enter 30, I go like that. Okay. And now we are going to move to the next multiplier digit 2. And when we move to 2, our pointer will stay on rod number 4. So here we're going to do 2 times 8, which is 16. So I enter 16 directly on the soroban. And then I'm going to move my pointer one rod right. And now I'm going to do 2 times 5, which is 10. So I just simply add 10. Okay, and now we're going to move to the third multiplier digit 8, and the pointer will remain on rod number 3. So we do 8 times 8, which is 64. So we do 64 like that, and then we're going to move our pointer one rod right and do 8 times 5, which is 40, and we'll enter that from rod number 2. So we enter a 40, and that gives us a final answer of 53,380. So hopefully that was all pretty clear to you. And again, if you need to go back, please go ahead and stop and start the video as you need. Good luck with your practicing.